Did you know that one of the easiest way for you to deploy the cloud code to your GitHub repo in Back4app is through the AI agent? So to illustrate that, here I have created a new app called My Test App, and in the cloud code section I have the cloud folder and a main.js file where I deployed some code. And I also created a GitHub repo named My App where I want to deploy this code. I don't have anything set in here right now. Here in the AI agent, all I have to do is to click the AI agent button and in here click New Agent. And now I can prompt the AI agent to get the code from my app and deploy it to my GitHub repo. So let's prompt that. From my test app in Back4app, retrieve the main.js file from the cloud code section and deploy it to my GitHub repo named back4app-dev/myapp. Hit enter. The plugin is smart enough to understand everything that is needed in order to deploy this code to GitHub, including installing the GitHub client on my app so it can have access to GitHub and deploy the code for me. So the deployment was successful and I should be able to see my code in my repo. So if I come back here and refresh, here is my main.js file that I can open, and both my methods are in here. So this is a very easy and straightforward way for you to deploy all your code from Back4app to your GitHub repo. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like in this video and consider subscribing to the channel so you never miss out on new content like this. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope you like this content and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.